Yo, what is up, everybody? Different camera angle. I thought you guys were just too far away. You're just too far out of reach. Today we got something really cool. Champs Sports Goods sent me a pair of shoes, and let's go see what they are. I got this special pocket knife. Slice right through. And here we got low enough for you guys. Oh, hey, thank you. Champs X S Boy. All right. Here they are. I've never had a pair of Air Force Ones, and I see them all over the place, but now I finally joined you guys, and we can rock these bad boys together. They're so clean in person. Oh yeah. They're so nice. Okay. These are absolutely fire. It's so bright. They're like blinding my eyes, which is amazing. This is like every customizing YouTuber's dream is to get a pair of Air Force Ones. Air Force One gang, where you at? Now, let's put these bad boys on feet. This is so fire. Look at this, clean, no creases, baby. I'm definitely gonna have to buy some crease protectors. Yeah. Now that we got these bad boys on, let's go show them to the family. Stiff legs, you don't crease them.
Bro, those are cool. Sick.
Damn, Daniel, back at it again with the white van.
What are those?
Wow. These are definitely super amazing. I'm so grateful and thankful for these. But let's go show them to my classmates, because I can't see them because the cough. Oh, saved it. Hey, do you guys like my shoe?
Okay. So you can decide if
Hey,
you want to do it the cut and paste way
I got a
or the
cool
draw
shoe
and
from
fill way.
Champs.
That's up to
Do
you.
you like them?
So let's talk about your sketchbook.
Oh,
So in your
gosh.
sketchbook,